All you need to know about ByBit exchange, you will learn in this video. We enter the ByBit exchange. Next, the most important thing is to register on it. After registration, everything is quite simple. In the upper right corner in the Assets tab, we can see our balance. Also, we can enter our financial account. Now we are on the financing account. All the funds that we contribute to the exchange go into the financing account. After that, we can safely transfer them to the trading account. Trading account is also in the Assets tab. Click Assets and choose T. Let's select Tinkoff and Sberbank and click Accept. Next, we have different kinds of offers to buy USDT here. Let's say there's this seller. He sells us 1 USDT for 94 rubles 35 kopecks. Also pay attention to the limits. 500 rubles is the minimum limit. If our bank is 1,000 rubles, then in general this seller will suit us, because the minimum replenishment amount here is 500 rubles. It is also written here, with the help of which bank it accepts rubles. Next, we just click Buy, and through a secure transaction we purchase USDT. They will be transferred to our funding account, after which we can transfer it to a single trading account and trade spot, futures, etc. Since we have already touched on the topic of spot and futures trading, let's go to the Spot Trading tab. At the very top, we select Trade and choose Spot Trading. Once in the Spot Trading tab, we are greeted immediately by Bitcoin. Here we have a chart. We can also buy, sell this currency. There is a price glass and also a lot of different useful data. If we want to select a certain currency and buy it, in the upper left corner next to Bitcoin USDT, we click on the 3 dashes. And here, we can select our currency of interest. Let's say I'm interested in the KSAI currency. I can switch to it safely. Once we have switched to a certain currency pair, we can buy it safely. We can do it in the right corner of Buy and Sell. Let's say we want to buy KSAI for USDT. We have several ways to buy here. These are limit buy and buy at market price. If you want to buy the currency at a specific price, then I suggest you put limit buy. If you want to buy currency immediately, you click on market. Next, we select the amount of USDT we want to buy the currency for. We can use the slider and select, let's say, 50% of our entire balance. We can also enter it manually as well. After that, we click Buy, and we calmly acquire our currency. We can also sell in 2 ways by clicking on the Sell button. These are Sell at limit and Sell at market price. We can also use the slider to select the amount we want to sell, or we can enter it manually. Once we click Sell by Market, we will instantly sell our currency. If by limit, then accordingly, when the price reaches a certain selling price, then our order will be executed. This is all the information you need to know about spot trading that will help you buy and sell your currency. Let's move on to futures trading. At the top, select Derivatives. Then select USDT Perpetual. Here, it's basically the same as spot trading. We can also select a specific currency in the upper left corner. The only difference is that here we trade futures, and there is leverage. Let's go into more detail with this. Here, we have 2 types. These are buy long and sell short. If we buy long, we are saying that the price will go up. If we click sell short, we are saying that the price will go down. And depending on this, our profit will be calculated. There is also limit buy and buy at market price. But most importantly, there is a margin. We can choose several types of margin. These are isolated margin, cross margin, and profile margin. I advise you to use cross margin. If you are a beginner, cross margin is perfect for you, because our margin is equal to the amount that we have in the trade right now. Isolated margin is a bit more complicated, and I think that it will not be relevant for you yet. So choose cross margin, keep it in mind. Next, we can choose the leverage. Here, the minimum is 1x and the maximum is 100x. The higher the leverage, the closer the liquidation price. And the liquidation price, it means that we lose our entire amount that we have in the trade. So be very careful when setting leverage. If you are a beginner, I don't advise you to put more than 20x. What is leverage anyway? If we enter a $10 trade with a leverage of $20, our trade will equal $200. Accordingly, we will be able to earn more, but at the same time we have the risk of losing our entire sum. Therefore, choose this parameter carefully. Let's assume that we have chosen 20x. Next, we choose to buy at the market price. Let's choose here that we will use USDT, not Bitcoin. Click Accept. Let's say $100. Let's open a trade in long. Click Accept. Now our trade is now displayed at the bottom. Here we also have our realized and unrealized PL written. Also, importantly, the liquidation price is written here. This is the most important parameter because if our price reaches the liquidation price, we are more likely to lose our money. So it's better to close this much in advance unless of course the price has fallen that low. Let's say we realize that we don't want to stand in long any further. So let's try to close the trade. I'm going to show you how to do it. We click Market, that is, in order to sell the market price, and we select 100% and click Accept. Our order is instantly executed, and we have closed our trade. We can also open a short. Click on Open Short, and click Accept. This also shows the liquidation price. It is 68,000. That is, if the price reaches 68,000, then, accordingly, we will lose the entire amount that we have in the deal now. Here, you can also close the deal with one click, either by limit or by market. Let's say we choose the market in order to close our deal instantly and press Accept. After that, our trade was successfully executed. In general, this information will be enough to understand how to open and close trades and where to click to open trades, but unfortunately, this information will not be enough to make money from it. Therefore, I would advise you to watch the videos dedicated specifically to futures trading and spot trading in order to understand in more detail how these mechanisms are organized and how to make money on it. And of course, after we have traded, we need to figure out how we can withdraw your funds from here. We can do this also with the help of PWP trading. We choose PWP trading also, and instead of buying USDT, we click Sell USDT and choose a convenient way. In addition to PWP, we can also transfer our crypto assets to another exchange or to another wallet. We choose Assets and click Withdraw, i.e. Withdraw. And here we have a way to withdraw to another crypto wallet, and absolutely any currency. We choose the currency we are interested in, and then go through a very simple step and withdraw our funds. In general, this knowledge will be enough to understand how to deposit funds here, how to trade here, what buttons to press in order to buy and sell currency, how to trade spot, futures, and how to withdraw funds from here. This knowledge will be enough for beginners to try and dive into the world of cryptocurrency. But if you are interested in how you can earn with cryptocurrency, what are the interesting ways of trading besides spot and futures trading? How else you can earn on cryptocurrency? Then subscribe to my channel, put a like, be sure to write a comment and watch my videos on how you can earn on the ByBit platform in different ways for a beginner. Thanks for watching and see you soon.